Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. What if I told you that your Amazon Fire Stick has a hidden superpower you are totally missing out on? I am talking about an amazing new app that lets viewers watch brand new movies and TV shows completely free. No more dealing with frustrating errors or blocked installations on your streaming device. Today I'm giving you a quick step-by-step installation guide that takes just a few minutes. Check this out, because this is a total game changer for bypassing those annoying blocks and taking back control of your TV. You are watching TechVibes, your go-to spot for making your tech work for you. Now, before we dive into fixing this blocking issue, you need to make sure your streaming is completely safe and anonymous. I highly recommend using NordVPN to run smoothly any apps in the device. It routes your data through an encrypted tunnel, stopping your internet provider from monitoring your activity or blocking your third-party applications. I left the official NordVPN installation link mentioned in the description and comments, so make sure to grab that exclusive deal right now. So, why exactly is your Fire Stick blocking these amazing free apps lately? Amazon has been rolling out aggressive software updates to stop users from installing third-party applications from outside the official store. They want to lock you into their own ecosystem so you keep paying for premium subscriptions. But do not worry, because we can easily bypass these artificial restrictions with a few clever workarounds. Step 1. Let us unblock your device capabilities by enabling the hidden developer options. Grab your remote and head over to the gear icon on the far right of your home screen to open your settings menu. Scroll down and click on the tile that says My Fire TV. Next, look for developer options. If it is missing, click on About and press the center button on your remote exactly 7 times, until a notification pops up saying you are a developer. Now, go back one screen, enter developer options, look for apps from unknown sources, and flip that switch to On. This is a total no-brainer because it gives you the master key to install any app you want. Step 2. If you have a newer system version, Amazon changed this setting to a menu called Install Unknown Apps. To fix this, go back to your home screen, click on the Find button, and search for the Downloader app. Download and open that orange utility tool. Now go straight back to your settings, open My Fire TV, select Developer Options and click on Install Unknown Apps. Find the Downloader app in that list and flip the toggle right next to it to Allowed. This specifically grants permission for your Downloader tool to bypass the security block. Step 3. Sometimes the default Fire Stick safety system falsely flags safe video links as malicious. To fix this, open your Downloader app, head over to the left sidebar and click on Settings. Look for the box that says Enable JavaScript and make sure it is checked. This ensures that the web pages you visit to fetch your free movie links load completely without throwing random error codes. Step 4. Now we are going to use a special shortcut code to download a top-tier free movie application safely. Inside the Downloader app, click on the URL search box. Type in the code 28907. Double-check that number. Hit Go. The app will automatically bypass the standard browser blocks and redirect you to a safe, trusted application repository. Step 5. Once the repository page loads, scroll down until you see the application named Cinema APK. Click on the download link right next to it. Wait a few seconds for the installation file to download completely to your device storage. A prompt will pop up on your screen asking if you want to install the software. Click Install at the bottom right and then click Done when it finishes successfully. Step 6. Let us clean up your system files so your Fire Stick stays super snappy. Downloader will ask if you want to delete the installation file. Click Delete, and then click Delete one more time. This frees up precious space on your device storage so your videos never buffer. Now, press the Home button on your remote, go to your apps list, and open your brand new movie application while your VPN runs securely in the background. Here is a quick bonus pro tip to ensure your internet provider is not secretly blocking your streams at the router level. Go to your Fire Stick network settings and change your DNS server settings from automatic to manual. Enter DNS 8.8.8.8 for your primary server. This connects you straight to Google servers, which completely bypasses any local network filtering or website blocks. Also, always make sure your Fire Stick is connected to a 5 GHz network rather than a 2.4 GHz network for maximum streaming bandwidth. If you face any difficulty during this setup, just drop a comment down below. I will personally reply to your comment within 1 hour to help you fix it. If this video helped you out, smash that like button, share this video with your friends, and ask them to like, share, and subscribe to the channel TechVibes. No more blocked apps, just endless free entertainment at your fingertips. Stream smart, stay safe, and I will catch you guys in the next video.